How to contact Bolt support. Need help with your account or trip? Here's how to contact Bolt driver support quickly. First, open the Bolt driver account and tap your profile icon or menu. Select help or support. You will find common issue like payments, trips, and documents. If you can't find your issue, scroll down and tap contact support or message us. Write your issue clearly, include trip details if needed, and submit. Bolt support team usually responds via in-app messages or email within a short time. Attach screenshots whenever possible. It helps support resolve issues faster. Have you ever contacted Bolt support before? Tell me how your experience was in the comments below. And that's how you can contact Bolt driver support. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.